Martin the Vlogger, the beast, mecca of riding in Slovakia, beginning of the season of 2024, and nothing more, nothing less, just pure riding video. Guys, this is it. In case you would like to ride with me on bikes like this, toursonthread.com. We are the coolest tour and rental agency. We have 10 bikes like this in Bratislava, Slovakia. And in case you like this video, subscribe, like, have the notifications on, because every time I make a fart, you will be notified. And remember, always have fun and come ride with me in Slovakia.